Hi, it's Emily, and thank you so much for clicking this video. So for this makeup look, I wanted to create a fall-inspired eye look, and this is what I ended up creating. You can pair a lot of different lipstick colors with this. I think a brown lip would also be really pretty with this look, but I just really like how it turned out, and I think it's perfect for fall because it has all the fall colors incorporated. And if you guys like it, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe if you haven't joined already, and let's jump into the look. I'm first going to start off by priming my lids just to make sure that my shadows stay all day, and for that I'm going to be using the Morphe Eyelid Primer. I always like to set my primer with a little bit of translucent powder just to make sure that all the shadows I put on top blend smoothly. For my eyes today, I'm going to be using some ColourPop single shadows, but you can always just use similar colors if you don't want to use the same product. I'm first going to go into Running Late from ColourPop, which is this really warm, almost butterscotch light color, and I'm going to start blending that into the crease. I went a couple times back and forth between the shadows and blending on my eye just so I can build it up to the pigmentation that I wanted. I'm then going to take Team Captain, which is this really pretty matte olive green color, and I'm going to start putting that in the very inner and outer corner of my eyelid to start creating the halo effect. After I have the green laid down, I'm just going to go back in with the brush and the color that we just used and blend out those edges to start making everything smooth. I'm then going to take a little bit of concealer and put that on the very center of my eyelid just so I can clear that out for the next shadow. I'm then going to pick up some of Game Changer, which is this really pretty shimmery green, and I'm going to put that right down in the center of my lid on top of that concealer. I'm then just going to quickly go finish the rest of my makeup, and then we'll be back to finish up the rest of the eyes. So after I finish the rest of my makeup, I'm going to go into my lower lash line, and I'm going to be taking Team Captain again and putting that in the very outer and inner corner of my lower lash line. I'm then going to pick up some more of Running Late, which is the same color you put in the crease, and lightly blend out that green that we just put down. I'm then going to pick up some more of Game Changer and put that right in the center of our lower lash line to reflect the top lid. Then to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to be using the Ofra highlighter in Star Island, which is also the same highlighter that I used on the rest of my face. Then for my lips, I'm going to go in with the MAC Satin Lipstick in Faux. I then just applied the same everyday mascara that I've been using lately, and here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a comment down below of what type of videos you'd like to see me create, as well as give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Please also make sure to subscribe if you haven't joined the family already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.